Hello guys, welcome to AKS. Today in this video I am going to do the sound test of the Philips SPA7000B or the Volcano. In this you will see, as you're seeing there is a display there and there are some switches out there, and this is the volume knob. There is a USB support and the SD card support is there. It also supports FM and Bluetooth. It also supports the 5.1 input. And it comes with a 5.25 inches subwoofer of 30 watt RMS, and the speakers are of 3 inches, speakers of 12 watt RMS. So the total output for the speakers and the woofers is 90 watt RMS or 9000 watt PMPO. So guys, I'm now going to play some songs, then I will tell you how the sound quality is and how's the bass.
Just give me you, that's all I wanna do. And if they say it's true, if it's true, I'ma give it to you. I may take a lot of stuff, guaranteed I can back it up. Let's put it in motion. I'ma give you a promotion. I'll make it feel like a vacate, turn the bed into an ocean. We don't need nobody, I just need your body.
So as you heard the sound quality, the bass coming out from the woofer is very good. It generates a heavy bass, not much like the SPA7000B, but it's great. It's the bass is very good, and the sound clarity doesn't get messed up with the woofer or bass. The great thing about these speakers are also that you can select the individual sound for the speakers, the front, center and the rear, and you can also control the bass as per your needs. So guys, this is a great buy if you need a home theater around rupees 6000, and if you want a Bluetooth and a 5.1 output. So this will be a great choice. I will leave a link in the description. Hope you guys have liked my video. If you like my video, you can like it, share it or comment it. Thank you guys for watching. Jai Mata Di.